This is Immaculate from IMA Recreation, Traditional Games Revival Initiative. We have been seeing lot of war strategy games and hunting games. Today we are going to see using Alker board, which is a war strategy game. We will play a hunting game, which is a goat and tiger. This is variation 4 of goat and tiger, very interesting game. There are 4 tigers and tigers are already in the den in the 4 corners of the board, and there are 20 goats. Goat will come one by one into the field. So the objective of the goat is as usual to block the tiger. Tiger's objective is to jump over and eat the goat. Tiger can jump over the goat in all the direction when there is empty space. Suppose if the goat is here, tiger can jump over. Goat is here, tiger can jump over. It can jump over like that and eat it. Okay, so goat comes, tiger moves. See, tiger can jump. So another goat comes. Now this can't jump. So tiger moves. Unfortunately, goat can't jump and eat a tiger. So we can't keep it here or here or here or here or here. So keep it here. Tiger moves. Goat comes. We need to be very careful. So tiger moves. Goat comes. Tiger moves. Goat comes. Tiger moves. Goat comes, tiger moves. So if the tiger comes here, it will become a double attack. So it is better to block it. So you have to think 1 or 2 steps ahead. Tiger moves. We can't keep it here or here. So here maybe. So this tiger moves. So this can jump and eat. So goat comes. So we need to be aware of all the attacks. Tiger moves. Goat comes. And tiger moves, goat comes, tiger moves, goat can come here, tiger moves, goat. So this tiger is blocked by its own tiger. So tiger moves. We can't keep it here because it will jump. We can't keep it here, it will jump. So we need to be really careful. So we will try to block this. Again tiger try to escape, goat comes, tiger moves, goat comes, tiger moves. So this can jump. So next goat comes, tiger moves. So goat comes, tiger moves. Now another goat, there is only here or here. Here if we come, this will jump. So right now we will keep it here. Then tiger moves. Again this goat is under attack. So we can't move this because it will jump. So escape. Again tiger moves. So after drop phase, even goat can also move. See, all the 20 goats are placed. Now goat can also move. So this goat moves. This tiger is blocked now. Tiger is blocked. Tiger is blocked. Only that tiger has got to move. So this tiger moves. So now again we need to be careful. Otherwise, if we move that, this will jump. If we move this, this will jump. Oh, and we have only less moves. So suppose this moves here, at least there are no jumps now, but this tiger can move that. Oh. So now suppose this moves here, this goes there. See, this is under attack. Again we can't move that there. So this moves. So if you see that, it is a very, very interesting game. Again tigers move. Tiger moves here. This goat moves here, that will jump. This goat moves here, this will jump. So suppose this moves here. So now only this tiger has got moved. This tiger moves here. Again this can't go, that can't come here. But there are less number of moves. So like this, if you see, it's a very, very interesting game. Suppose I move here. this tiger jumps. Now there are lot of places for the tiger, and also it becomes little more difficult to block the tiger now. So try to play this game, and tiger should be completely blocked. See, there was an attack, so I moved this. Tiger should be completely blocked, or tiger should eat 5 goats. Just play and let me know how did you enjoy the game. It's a very strategic game, and the goat has got opportunity to win, and tiger has also got the opportunity to win, though it is an unequal opponent games. Play and enjoy. And using this Solitaire board, we have seen so many games. I have covered most of them. I will keep covering. Please subscribe and watch and play regularly. Thanks, and bye, Immaculate.